We've got 2 or 3 playing in the tunnel here. Susie, do not. What did I tell you about bird perch? What did I tell you? Leave it. Don't break it. No, don't break it. It's Jessie's perch. Susie. Susie. Susie, don't break it. It's bamboo, and I don't know what it is, but she's got half a part as of yesterday. Once it's broke, it won't fit the cage anymore. But oh well. We didn't need that perch anyway. We didn't need that perch. Oh, we didn't need that perch. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. We don't need this one either. We don't need that one either. No. These days you're going to hang yourself from that.